Hi guys, how are you doing? Today, I don't know today. Today we are going to, I feel, finally fix the problem. Because this, as I told you already, this is the most critical part of the whole agent. Like, this is where we should give more of our time, which we have been given. Yet, it seems like we need more. So now, what happened here is wait, I'll just start another with us to understand it better. I can add it. Why am I looking at my credentials? Sorry. I'm just going to let it start on. So now the main problem yesterday that we were facing was that the nodes are getting executed, but the data is not being transferred. So here we are going to fix that. Ouch. Sorry. Hmm. So now we saw that the data is like I can get the data here, but like I can see let's just trigger all the values are none, even if null if they're filled there. And when you talk about this is also done like um the only thing I'm going to do right now is going to generate it again. Yes, this is it. Oh, sorry, not this. This not this. Yeah, this. I am making continuously. Okay. You are not leaving, I know. I just love talking. And I don't think it is hard for you all to believe that I love talking. Because I do talk a lot. And people hate it about me. The reason I did not talk yesterday is that my mom and my sister were in the room. And this project is like YT channel. That I have a channel is a secret because my family won't allow me to have it. So it's better that I talk less. Though they know I talk. Don't tell me this again. I have to create another area for the Gemini. You know what? I'm switching the chat model. Give me open here. Now let it start. Why does this service look? Should not have asked. just have so big of an urge to just delete this, but I'm really I just stopped it and just restarted. And since it's shown 7 here, it means the data might have been transferred. And execute. The numbers that should be executed first. Now execute this. The node has been executed. That's where I cannot read the values because they are not. Let this work and let me see what happens. This is called it, okay? Now let me see what this does. Oh, sorry. This is some problem with data type in string. Let me just go allow it. It is going to be string. Only I don't think the length is not going to do this. Length should be number, but I'm going to do it allow any type. The moment I publish this now, is just fixed. You know what? Just stop it. Just stop this. I need this. Why can't I add so? I guess it will come action app. Stupid this. I'm gonna add this over here, and it is a tool. It is not a tool, I guess. Okay. If it's not a tool, let me add it here. I just want to delete this, but let's just, okay. What if I just copy it and use it here as a tool? Because that is a tool. No, I'll just stop it. It has this, nothing in this. So we add it over here. I hope the copy means that it has everything that we need. Great, great, great. The inputs, I will give you the inputs. Right. So this I can, of course. Let's just speak that out. Then I could have literally attached the LLM only, na? No, but we need more tools, so I will add another. Does not matter. Honestly, it does not. I can add an HTTP request here. I'm just going to slide it to the corner because I don't like it in here. But I'll just come here. Why does it take this much time for you? Oh, there's submissions. Should I stop this? I just this area is output. We'll just keep this place. This is gonna be too much for this to bear. Let's hope it is not too much. So let me just see what it is. I could have just added the LLM. Honestly, I could have just added the LLM instead of this because the video generating tool is this. I do have a prompt here, right? What prompt do I have? You know what? Just come here. Okay, just want to delete this one. Now, I want just. Okay, I'm just going to keep it here. I'm just going to add a LLM here. For this, just wait. Go here. Um, what was the prompt? Okay, the LLM was not the prompt agent, but my agent has the prompt, so no need to worry. So we are on the agent, titled agent, and we will go ahead. I just want to redefine it, but I'm going to do it on my own. You know what? I'd rather build another prompt with this. It is more beneficial for me. Write a prompt for me. Prompt. Dumbass shit. Prompt for me for a LLM. It will get the raw data about the idea, its idea description, the tone of a video, the length and the style of the video. It has to generate a script separately, and it has to generate the video sequence separately. It has to then send it to OpenAI's Sora for generation. So it needs to customize the script and the video prompt accordingly. Yes, yes, yes. That is a typo. Damaged shirt is nothing. Output, we are looking for a social media or YouTube creator. We want AI shots. The final output should be a URL that can be uploaded or downloaded. The LLM is connected to Sora, like the next node. Like the next node is of OpenAI Sora. To answer your above questions, the idea description, tone, video length, video style are always going to be given as inputs. For platforms, Instagram or YouTube are the main platforms on which we will post. User input would be in a form, so there are very less chances of it being weak, but you cannot question back. and make the prompt under 500 words, like 500 characters. Ah, काय? Out, out, काय? कोण आलं? कुठला काका? Sorry, I just got my dog back. Like, not back. I guess it is more like 500 characters. You know what? I'm already ready. I need to go to the lab. But do I need an agent? Yes, now we go. We need it. Uh, what model do we need, bro? Conversation. We have generated video action model. So I'm a little confused. Do I need a message model or do I need conversational model? I say I need a message model. Okay. Expression. We fixed. Take a look. We'll look at it afterwards. Open this. Our prompt is copied. So okay. Our prompt is here. I guess that's okay. We don't need anything more. This is a user. It should be fixed. Here, text. Not gonna say maximum. We have this much, but no. Let's execute the step. But at our previous notes. Okay, we will execute it afterwards. And I just need everything together. We have Sora here. How more tools am I going to add? Let's just see. What tools I can add. No, 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 two. I said twos. No, this is not two. Poof. And then we'll just add again. Open AI. Now I want audio generating model. Video creation is here. I need audio generating. Audio generator. TTS1, TTS-ST, TTS1. Okay. The text inputs, it is going to be an expression. I will give it. Wait. Voice. Nova probably. We want resource to be audio. Operation is to generate audio. The resource should be text. Oh no. Let it be audio. I have no idea what the resource is. Okay. If this works, I'm going to dance. Okay, if this works. I guess this should work. Which I hope it would. So execute the workflow. Windows/share. Open this. Go to this. Let's go. I'm just getting tired of this copy pasting. And I am talking a lot today. By the way, I guess many of you know where I am from. Still, I want you to guess which country's accent I have. Like, is it more American or is it more Indian? What do you think? Because I probably don't think that my accent is American. Why is there a problem there? Is it more of Indian? Because, okay, here's the problem. What is the problem? Okay, this is the problem. Anything, I don't care. It should first work for me to care about this. Okay. Yeah, execute the workflow. But let's do it again. Oh, style? Yeah, style. I can keep on. I can keep on talking because that's who I am. Let's check the box. But everything's in the good. No one wants to hear me talk when someone is like thinking about doing something. I know one thing that I understood was that I have a pretty poor. Oh, no, 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 wait. No, wait. I have. Yeah, no. Just need to cut this. Just freshness. Money is in India, which I think you know. Hmm. I did not want to reveal my name. This does not count as level because hardly anyone watches my videos. I will. I just saw where my videos got so less response, and it was like I don't have a hook at the start time. Like the retention time is very less because I don't have a hook. I just start with this voice with so much bar speaker. Oh my god. I'm hungry, honestly, which I should not be at this time of the day. But I had my lunch early every day, so I'm hungry. I want this to work, honestly. Like, of course, if I'm doing a project, I want that to work. But this does mean a lot to me. Model is not allowed. The model is not allowed, dumbass. What is time? Oh shit. So it's too late. How much time are they recording for? 21 minutes only? That's not believable. Today might be the breakthrough, and if this is the breakthrough, I'm going to like, oh my god! Because it literally feels like we're stuck in a loop. It's not going anywhere. But it will. But I think I will cut short this video a little. Because I am going out at 4 as usual. And if you're, in case you're just wondering, because I know no one in this views list, handful of people who are going to watch this, but I go to play. Because I'm just a kid, so I go to play. Okay, we're getting output. Let's go. Oh my god, so nice. Step is executed. Let's go. Please. Okay. Battery first. Check your parameters. Why is it a battery? Arrested? Oh, service. This output. 5 seconds. In this, I'm going to perform the mission. Sending it this time. Looks better. Confirm submission. Where I want the length to be here. And if it is possible, like for our month, to generate 2 different outputs. Let's see if this works. 50 seconds is not something that is okay, so I need to make it fixed. Does it have some kind of problem? Okay, I can. Okay, gotcha. Sorry, my bad. Why is the battery faster? Here it is. Billing hard limit has reached. Yes, prompt is to like. Alright, over here. I'm going to go here. AI. Open AI again. Eight seconds. And for this, I want the whole prompt, okay? So, the thing I'm going to do is, I'm going to look here. Like this. This is the text that has came out. Right. So, I think I just complete this text part. I just hope this works. Please tell me it works. We might have just used our credentials completely. Free token certificate. Uh, I don't know what am I going to do. Uh-huh. I can try and see if I have any other source. This is so bad. Dumb. Woo. Can you just go to this? Model? Yes. Whatever for text is going to be cropped. So that ah, I think that is for today for some reason. But I think we are on a breakthrough because if this works, that would be the best thing that can happen to us. I'm gonna publish it. I don't know. Our credit for the day is over. We can also try here. I don't know how much it is going to help, but we can try. It's only 49 minutes, so yeah, I can definitely try. Uh, Add legend. Okay, here we have another legend. But if I go for two, I go add two. And I search for open here. Okay. Yo, yo. Text to video to we have it. Yeah. Can I get open here? Integration. Azure, OpenAI. You know what? I think that is it for today. Yeah, because our free credits are up. So we will try again tomorrow to find a solution to this problem. Okay, sorry. We'll try tomorrow. I don't know how this is going to work. Honestly, don't. But I just hope that we complete this project before we complete the month of April. Like, the 8th of May is literally no zone for me. So, it's also 4 o'clock. I don't want to shut down right now. I have stamina. I can go and do more. Like, I have a lot of stamina when it comes to these things. Because the great, if grade 10 has taught me anything, that is how I can sit on one place and do my work for like 8 hours a day. So I can do this. But right now I'm hungry and we can't do anything because our credentials are out. So I guess 51 minutes, not bad, is it? Though I feel like I can do 5 more minutes. I don't know what we can do in 5 minutes. Let's check what we can do here. So we have the text to speech tool, and it is working. It is working good, like good. So I guess I tried this, but there's nothing bad to try again. Is it? So input is a text. I will do this again. I first need to say I don't need an LLM. I don't need an LLM. Uh, I don't have text to video generation. I do here, and it is paid. It requires for me to give a key of cloud, and I don't have cloud subscription. So that is the main problem. But I'm going to keep the skeleton here. I'm going to save the skeleton as text generation, and I'm going to search Google Cloud, because I want to see the brands of it, right? Mm. If I go on using every day, I think I would definitely go more than 3,000 or $300, and that is not something I can afford. I will go to Google Studio, and it has the video generation shit there, that it is not accessible on free because it is exclusive. Please, Sundar Pichai, do that for me. Please, can you make the video generation model unpaid? Please, at least one model. The dumbest of dumbest model. Please. We didn't find a good video generating platform, didn't we? Let me check. Yesterday we were searching something. Uh-huh. Yeah, Sora was good, and Imagine Arts was also good, but we did not have the API for Imagine Arts, didn't we? That was the only problem. No, we did not have API, so we cannot work on it. What I can do is I can check. Okay, and then what would be the price? 3,000 a month. 3,000 per thousand per month. That is the shittest thing I have for this. I cannot. It is honestly so good, but it does not have API. So let me check what workflows they have. If I can create a workflow here. If I can create a workflow here and get or something, that would be better. It honestly does feel like okay, it is like that. What is this? Upload a file, okay. Sometimes I feel so bad that I cannot get this. And sometimes, like right now, I feel I should just probably do this on my own, like semi-automated. Semi-automated. I can make another workflow just putting prompt here, doing it on my own. Semi-automated, which is going to take me a lot of time, which I can do. Semi-automated, start earning, and when I see the first earning in, then fully automated. That is what I can do. I can also, like, I cannot even invest 1 rupee. Like, I just am physically unable to invest anything. Like, I can invest up to 100 rupees, that is like $1. And what am I going to get for $1? So, we are stopping here. So, we actually are. Yes, yeah. So, guys, bye bye. I love you, and we will find something to do. And honestly, thank you for being part of this journey where I'm documenting this, because I don't know, it means a lot. So, bye bye, love you, see you in the next one.